I'm driving down the road this morning in my 2004 Chevrolet Impala, and the security light just comes on at random. And sometimes when it comes on at random, it'll stay on for a few minutes and it'll go off, and then sometimes it'll just stay on. Sometimes the car doesn't start when I get in. I'll turn the key and it doesn't start, but it doesn't always happen when the security light's on. Like for instance, yesterday the security light was on, but then I shut the car off and got back in it later and it cranked right up. So it's not something that happens all the time. It happens sporadically. Like, I don't know, maybe every 2 or 3 weeks I'll go to get in it and turn the key and it won't come on, and it's usually when I'm in a hurry to get somewhere, or I've pushed the time limit to where I have not much time to get there, and then I have to sit and wait or scurry and make other arrangements. So it's really a big inconvenience. My Impala I bought used about 2 months ago because the transmission in my van went out. The Impala's got a little over 161,000 miles on it. It had 158 when I bought it. Everything seems to run, fairly good on the car. I did notice yesterday that when I had the radio playing, that I touched where the light is for the security, and it felt really, really, really hot. So I don't know. The ignition, I've been reading and Googling and trying to find out, what's making the car do this. I've put a new starter on it, which I spent $150. I didn't need to, because apparently that didn't fix the problem. But I have actually flagged people down or seen them in a parking lot that had, an Impala, one of the older models like I have. And I've asked them, do they have the same problem? And they say, yes, they do. One lady told me it was her battery cables, but I don't believe that. She just don't know. But another lady I talked to said hers does the same exact thing. And then I've asked another lady, and hers does the same thing. So I think this is something that, Chevy should recall and get fixed. I looked online at the recall, and they don't have anything. Now, I don't know if it's been an older recall, and it's just not listed anymore. I don't know how that works, but I'm going to call a dealer and see, because apparently this is a problem or a big issue with all the Impalas and maybe even other Chevrolet models. But I even heard one lady who was driving down the road and the car shut off and she lost, she didn't have any control, so that caused an accident. So I surely don't want that to happen. So if you have any idea what is causing this problem, or have had a friend or family member or anybody who knows what may be causing this problem for the car just to intermittently not start when it don't want to, then comment below and let me know. Thanks.